powerhouse of trade and industry, Istanbul. And Istanbul's innovative solutions generating brand, Mersan Machinery. From the day we started production in 1983 to the present day, we are designing products that best meet the needs of our customers, and we are manufacturing for the world. We are balancing the knowledge, design, and high quality with the textile finishing machines that we manufacture, and we develop machines for the future. With modern manufacturing concept and dynamic production capacity, we are there for you. We export textile machinery to more than 20 countries in the world. And we are very aware of the qualitative importance of the knowledge and experience we acquire, while identifying and supplying solutions that will provide added value to the country's economy. We test the technological competence of our machines in the areas of R&D and quality control. We design textile machines that will power up your production. We are performing every stage of production flawlessly and create resources that will add positive value to production. Focus on your production. We are here to increase your production capacity.